Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and this is another pretty powerful macro that can do a lot. I just downloaded it. It's free. It's from my friend Eskimo, and I'm going to give a link at the end of the video right there. And this is called Matching Vectors. So we're going to go to this. And this is just something I drew real simple. It's grouped together. I'm going to grab a straight line, and I'm just going to make a mark with a vector line. And then with that line selected, I'm going to tag selection. Then I'm going to draw some other lines. I'm going to draw some smaller, some larger, some smaller. Need to really move over a little bit. And this could be done with angles. So now we're going to grab those 4 lines, and I've got it checked allowed tagging for multiple. I'm going to tag selection. I'm going to grab our artwork, and I'm going to match the vector. How cool is that if you could do that all over a page, different sizes just without scaling. And then of course you could move your items around or get rid of the vector lines one at a time and pretty easily. But this can do a lot. I'm really looking to play with it. You can do it, it doesn't have to be perfectly parallel. Let's play around with it a little bit more. Let's take this one and turn it on an angle. Now let's select them. You know what, I might not be able to start over. Let's select these. And I've got them 4 selected. Now grab this and try to match the vector. Look at that, it turned that one at an angle. So if you had a bunch of circles or well, circles wouldn't matter, but squares, and you wanted them just sporadically put somewhere. So this is called match vector, and I'm going to play around with it some more because you can do a lot with it. I seriously played around like it for 2 minutes. I hope that helped a little bit, and thank you for watching.